Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, friends, now I will tell you how to make egg roll with cheese and sauce. Okay, tools and materials consist of 5 sausages, 3 eggs, no butter, cheese, sauce, flavoring, fork, skewers, and bowl. Next, we will discuss how to make it. Okay, first, cut the sausage into 2 pieces and cut into small pieces on the side to attach to the egg. Okay, second, break the egg and add the flavor and water to taste then beat. Then, skewer the sausage with the skewer. The next stage, we fry the egg and the sausage. Okay, we fry the eggs and the sausage. Then, we grate the cheese and give the sauce. Egg roll ready to serve.